Welcome back to Cook's Custom Speed Shed. Been another couple weeks working and, playing with the Firebird. Yeah, we're facing the other way today. Normally you guys are, that way. But notice in the background. Oh! The shop is empty. Let me show you why. So anywho, look at that. She is officially sitting on her wheels for the first time in over a year, outside, just catching some vitamin D, basking in the sun. We did a lot of work that we didn't actually get on camera, but that's mostly because the car was so jammed in a corner, and we were running grinders and whatever. There's no excuse. I should have videotaped it for you guys, but here's what we got. Four link installed, tires mocked in. She's a little tight. We had to trim some of the quarter panels, but she's in there. Fella might get some, those are a 5-inch box spacing 15 by 15 wheel. I made a little bit of a mathematical error. We can make these rims work after we bead roll on the quarter panels there. But I might go with a 6-inch box spacing just because those tires stick out. Well, they don't stick out yet, but I still got to add a brake kit to there, so that's going to add 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch or so. And as you can see, she's tight. I could probably get away with it if I bead roll the quarter panels properly, but a feller wants to get a nice set of rims for the boy there, maybe a set of those welds with the bead lock that says weld in it. Something fancy is what I'm getting at. But yeah, that's her. She's out here just basking in the sun. It's been over a year since she sat on her own paws. But that's where we're at, boys. We're finally making progress. So that's where we're at. Fella's in a good mood today. Finally gets to clean up the shop. There, that thing's been sitting on jack stands for well over a year. I think we started that in end of August last year, or maybe end of September even. Middle of September. It was somewhere around there. But anyhow, that's where we're at, fellers. We're going to get this thing, I got to order some parts now, get a roll cage, and we're going to start mocking a roll cage in. Yeah, this feels great. I'm happy to see progress. It didn't feel like we were getting anywhere. Just get out there and start wrenching. Keep your feet moving. You'll get somewhere. It eventually comes. Anyhow, guys, I go back to work tomorrow, another 7 days. And then when I get back, hopefully we'll have some parts here after I order them, pick them up. And we'll start showing you how to mock in a roll cage. See you soon.